Multiple reports indicate that India has carried out very large-scale drone strikes targeting camps of China-backed Alpha Independent and NSCNK terrorists deep inside Myanmar, that resulted in the elimination of multiple top militant commanders. Over 300 drones were used in the early hours today, destroying multiple mobile camps. Alpha Independent has confirmed the strikes in a press statement, and admitted to heavy losses including multiple top commanders. J&K Police has attached immovable property worth 3.2 crore rupees, belonging to 3 terrorists operating from POK. Tata Advanced Systems has removed all references to the American F-21 fighter jet from its official website, signaling a possible shift away from the proposed India-specific variant of the F-16 offered by the US. Tata Advanced Systems has unveiled a scaled-down prototype of its male UAV that features a nose-mounted propeller, lightweight airframe, and twin landing gear. While India is interested in additional orders of S-400 units and is setting up S-400 maintenance repair and overhaul facility in India, the Indian Defence Secretary has ruled out any plans to manufacture the S-400 air defence system locally in India, and that no talks were held on technology transfer or joint production. The Cabinet Secretariat is reviewing a DRDO proposal, and a high-level decision is imminent on whether India will partner with Rolls-Royce or Safran to jointly develop a 130 kN jet engine. Rolls-Royce currently appears to be the front-runner, as its proposal stands out for offering a clean-sheet engine with variable cycle engine technology with full intellectual property rights to India, and Prime Minister Modi's upcoming UK visit later this month is likely to fast-track the engine deal. Building on the Swordfish long-range tracking radar system, DRDO's Electronics and Radar Development Establishment has developed an advanced radar that will soon start development trials. It features high-speed tracking and advanced algorithms, and will be able to detect and track hypersonic missiles. Russian media is actively promoting the Su-34 fullback fighter bomber as a strong contender for the Indian Air Force, citing its deep strike capabilities, heavy payload and operational synergy with the existing Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force. The Su-34 features a side-by-side twin cockpit, carries 12,000 kilograms of weapons including precision-guided bombs and long-range cruise missiles, has terrain-following strike capability and advanced electronic warfare systems. The Indian Air Force has reportedly recommended the procurement of at least 3 squadrons of 5th-generation fighter jets totaling 60 aircraft. That would bridge the gap until the indigenous AMC enters service by 2035. The Ministry of Defence is expected to evaluate both the proposals of F-35A and Su-57 thoroughly before making a decision. The Su-57 is expected to be front-runner, owing to Russia's superior offer that includes full technology transfer, source code access and integration rights. That includes indigenous Virupaksha radar, 1,000 km range BrahMos 2 air-launched hypersonic cruise missile, 400 km range R-37M long-range air-to-air missile, 350 km range Astra Mark III, and the upcoming 550 km range Rudram 3 missile. Embraer has proposed to co-develop an AWACS variant of its C-390M transport aircraft, instead of the 6 used ERJ-145 aircraft for the improved Netra Mark 1A program, as the larger airframe of C-390M will support heavier radars with potential 360 degrees coverage, and could be integrated with drones and directed energy weapons. Today's top 3 comments.